Okay, here we are just walking into 16392 255th Avenue, otherwise known as beautiful Francis Sites, right on East Lake. We have a 5-bed, 5-bath stunner here, 10-foot ceilings here on the main level, with a beautiful kitchen, beautiful cabinetry, appliances included, plus 2 sets of washer and dryer, one on the lower level, one on the upper level, and gorgeous fans and fixtures throughout. This is what I want to show you. Right across the way is Elinor Bedell State Park. Could you imagine looking at that all day and afternoon, and sitting out here in the morning with your coffee, at night maybe a cocktail? That is just beautiful. You do not get that everywhere around the lakes, that's for sure. So we've got a coat closet as you come in that front door. And we have access to this full bath from this side as well as the bedroom side. This has beautiful tile showers throughout. You come into this main floor bed. Built-in closet there. Then we have the garage there, coat hooks, place for your shoes, your bags, all that good stuff. We'll head downstairs first. Great entertainment area here. Nice wet bar. And just want you to look at this zero approach to the dock. So love that too. Just a beautiful backyard with 0 steps to that dock. We have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms back here as well. Got egress windows to both of them. So we got a Jack and Jill setup here with double vanities, tub shower. Here's our egress window in the 2nd bedroom. And a nice size walk-in closet. Love everything about this. So you got your HVAC there, your on-demand hot water heater. Here's your washer and dryer. So when you get off the boat, you just bring your towels and whatnot in, throw them in. Don't have to haul them all the way upstairs. Great idea. So we have that half bath right there. So again, we had 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms there. Up here on the main level, we had a bedroom with attached bath as well. And you will love the upstairs. Gorgeous railings as well. No wood railings for this house. It's all metal cable. Then we got 9-foot ceilings here, 8-foot doors. So we got extra tall doors, main level and on this level. So here we are in the primary suite. See the vaulted ceiling. And again, imagine waking up to Elinor Bedell State Park. Beautiful. Just a huge room. And we come in, double vanity there, got a beautiful tile shower, and a nice size walk-in closet. Love it. So that's bedroom number 1. Come back here. And we got utility. So there's, of course, 2 HVAC systems, and there's your washer and dryer for the upper level. Then we come into the 2nd ensuite here, and another walk-in closet. Everything's already built in. Double vanity here. And another gorgeous, gorgeous tile shower. So there's a lot to like. about this property, especially the fact that you have brand new construction, 5-bed, 5-bath for well under 1.5 million. I don't see this lasting too long.